નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Now to the next exercise 4.1, chapter number 4, standard 6. In the chapter number 4, exercise 4.1, the first question, use the figure to name. Here is the given one figure. In this figure, to see and answer the following these questions. So first of all, 5 points. So dear students, what is the point? Point is means the one type of the dot. We are discussed about in the introduction part. The point is means only one type of the dots is called a point. So 5 points, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here is the total 5 points. It means how to represent. So here is answer is B, C, D, E and O. Total how many points? 5 points is given. Point D, E, O, B and C. This means B, C, D, E and O. So this one is the 5 points. Understand? Clear? Then after the line, ray and line segments. So dear students, here is a line, ray and line segment. So first of all, it's the line. So what is the line? Line is means extend to both the side. Extend both side. Not an end point. It's called a line. Clear? What is the line? It means extend both the sides. So here given. What is the extend? So this one is 2 arrow sign. This means this one is 1 point. This one is 1 point. It means using the DB is called a line. Why? Because this is the extend in this side. This one is the extend in this side. But dear students, the many types of the name in this line. EB is a one type of a line. EB it means not a, if you are suppose E and B here. So D is erase it one times. थोड़े टाइम के लिए suppose मान लो यहाँ पे D नहीं है. So this one is E and this one is A. In E this one is extend in this side, this one is extend in this side. See B के आगे भी एक लाइन से extend in this side. Same for the यहाँ पे भी आगे एक लाइन से इस means extend in this side. तो आपको दूसरा नाम लिखना हो तो EB. Many names. DE, DO, OB. So this one is the only of line. If means you are remembering this, so what is the line? Line is means extend to both the sides and give the point on these lines and write down in here. It's called a line. So first of all, is the best example of the line. It means DB. Best example of the line in this figure is means D and B. Why? Because D and B. Here is the D. D is to extend in this side. B for the extend in this side. So it's the DB. It's the many types of the name. If you are in answer books, E, B. This one is also put the why? Because E2 in this side the extend the line. B2 in this side extend the line. So here one more example is the EB. आप इससे भी और लिख सकते हो. Right? Then after the 4 ray. So what is the ray? In the ray, one ending point and one extending point in any sides, but one end point in the ray. Right? So find out. Suppose we'll start O and C. O is the ending point and then after C in this side. So my first one is OC and this one is ray sign. Then after anyone, yes, O to B. OB. This one is also for the ray. In this side OD on OE. OD ray sign and OE ray sign. So this one is my 4 ray. Why? Because the O is this suppose is ending point. In this start at the OD. In this side extend OE. In this side extend OC. In this side extend OE OB. In this side extend. So this one is my 4 rows. Sorry, 4 rays. Understand? Then after the line segment. So what is the line segment? Line segment means 2 end point. 2 end point is called a line segment. Now find in this figures the 2 end points and write down. So first of all in these 2 ends D and E, this 2 is the line segment. Why? Because this 2 is the ending point. So DE, how to write 5? Huh? Then after EO, this 2 is also for the ending point EO. Then after OB, write down, and then after OC, suppose OC, write down 1, 2, 3 and 4, only for 4. Okay, don't worry. So D and B, you are also for the right, D and B. Now the D and B, this one is the 1 point, this one is the 1 point, this means the ending points, these 2. So here is most example of the DB. So this one is our first question, the first question answer. I hope you are understands how to write lines, rays, line segment of figure. Clear? Then after the next question is the question number 2. Name the line given in all possibilities in bracket 12. This means you will write the 12 names. Where choosing any 2 letters at a time from 4 given. Here is the 4 letter is given and write the difference of 12 names. But name is line. So what is the line? Start here. Here is suppose A and B. 12 name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Let's start to A. This means AB. Then after AC. Then after AD. AB, this one is AC, this one is AD. A to leave, then after BC, BD, BC, BD, at that time C and D. If you write them the name, but at a time only 2 letters are used. So here is the first AB used, then after AC used, then after AD used. If your BC, then after BD, then after CD. Clear? Here is the 6 names. Now, so don't worry. BA. Names, this one is the BA, CA, DA, CB, DB. Okay, let's start. So CA, DA, BA, CA, DA, right? Then after CB, CD is one type is here, sorry, so DB. Now one more name is here. If you are guess anyone, let's start. BA is done, CA is done, DA is done, CB is done, DB is done, DC is not here for anyone. So write down the DC. So this one is our the 12 names. Name the line given in all possibles. Name the lines. It's called A and we are write A and B. It means A is extending this side, B is also for the extending this side. So this one is the lines, not a ending point here. I am not right here is the 2 ending points. Right? Why? Because here using the lines. 2 ending point notes. It means A and this one is B. C and D थोड़ी देर के लिए भूल जाओ. This means A is extending this side, B is extending this side. This means my first point's name is AB. Same for the A or C. A is extending this side, C is extending this side. So AC. इस तरह से हमने चॉइस किए टोटल 12 नेम लिखे. So understands our second questions? Clear? Okay.
Thank you for joining us.